Hello, another night of random reaction video. This time is Morissette again because a lot of people likes Morissette, like 50 million people is following her. So I'm gonna do focus on Morissette. Uh, this one here, she was playing the keyboard by herself. She's not a keyboard artist, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this is like a very simple rendition of Against All Odds. Very simple, folks. Nothing fancy here.
And take a look at me now. And thank God it's I.
This is like somebody's chopping you with a samurai.
What?
This is how it sounds like.
Take a look at me now.
That's like a knife.
Hmm.
What's your reaction, boy? What's your reaction on that song?
Namiss niyo ba yan? I missed that.
Yeah, I'm gonna
All right.
find a different version.
How can I?
Gonna find a different version because this one here.
Building the future isn't easy, like putting a mobile power source in your truck or creating a fold flat work surface.
This one here is a different version of that.
How can I just let you walk away? Just let you leave without a trace. When I stand here taking every breath with you, you're the only one who really knew me at all.
Wish 1075.
How can you just walk away from me when all I can do is watch you leave? 'Cause we share the laughter and the pain, and even share the tears. You're the only one who really knew me at all. So take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space, and there's nothing left here to remind me. Just the memory of your face. Take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space, and you coming back to me is against the odds, and that's what I've got to face. I wish I could just make you turn around and see me cry. There's so much I need to say to you, so many reasons why. You're the only one who really knew me at all. So take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space, and there's nothing else here to remind me. Just the memory of.
She sounds like Christina Aguilera, folks. Is there a version of that for Christina Aguilera? Oh, Mariah Carey. Let's try Mariah Carey. Double. Double commercial. What's
When I
wrong?
went to this school, this song was popular, and I remade it for my new album, Rainbow, and it is called Against All Odds.
Okay, we'll see. I don't know which version is better. I think Morissette's version is better. Boy? Do you think, boy? Do you think so? I think this is the better version.
All right.
Please take a look at me now. And there's just
Oh, what do you think? Who's the best?
but to wait for you is all I can do, and that's what I've got to face. Take a good look at me now, 'cause I'll still be standing here, and you coming back to me is against all odds. That's a chance I got to tell you.
Oh, whoa. That was amazing, folks.
Take a look at me now.
That was amazing.
Namiss niyo ba yan? I miss that.
That was amazing, folks. Thank you very much.
Scotiabank have you